Lincoln has been working hard for years to overcome its image as an automaker for the aged. This comprehensive redesign of its flagship, the Navigator, complete with a mid-century modern exterior and a plush interior treatment, may have finally done the job. The Navigator's 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 provides effortless power despite the massive SUV's just over 3-ton curb weight, and features such as massaging seats and a panoramic sunroof are convincingly luxurious. Lincoln has work to do before the Navigator can match the most prestigious of its luxury SUV rivals, but it should no longer be an afterthought for buyers who seek full size, make that mega size, luxury. High's effortlessly powerful, vastly improved interior, elegant exterior design. Low's exceptionally inefficient, won't inspire brand envy. Even entry-level models are expensive. Verdict: a huge leap forward. Its biggest problem may now be the Lincoln badge on the grille. What's new for 2018? The redesigned Navigator arrives with slick new looks inside and out, a freshened powertrain, and a predominantly aluminium body. Some things haven't changed. The Navigator is still immense and retains its classic body and frame construction. Trims and options we'd choose. There's no point in buying a huge luxury brand SUV and then skimping on features. But we also wouldn't shell out for the Navigator in the expensive black label trim, which can cost more than $100,000. The second from the top reserve trim strikes a good balance, while the long wheelbase L model means there is plenty of space for cargo even with all 3 rows of seats in use. The reserve L starts at $86,200 and includes 360-degree exterior camera with split-view display, panoramic sunroof, all-wheel drive. A 20-speaker Revel audio system is a relative bargain at $1,220 including the requisite CD player, and we'd splurge for the $1,250 30-way massaging front seats, bringing the total price of our Navigator to $88,670. The Navigator has only one engine and transmission combination, but with 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque, one is all it needs. Measured by towing prowess and quickness, it's the best in this set. Buyers who don't track their monthly fuel costs will be happy indeed. We found the Navigator to be reasonably responsive and genuinely speedy when provoked, and while the 10-speed automatic transmission never manages sporty programming, it does shuffle through gears adeptly enough to avoid perturbing dozing passengers. Every Navigator comes with 6 pre-programmed drive modes, including the obtusely named Deep Conditions, which is labeled Snow in most cars. Each mode adjusts steering effort, throttle pedal response, suspension settings, and the all-wheel drive system if equipped, but during our drives in good weather on public roads we only noticed minor variations among the modes. Test results: acceleration, manual shifting capability, automatic stop-start, tow ratings compared. Rated to tow 8,700 pounds, the Navigator is the best workhorse in this set. Unlike its V8 competition, the Navigator employs a downsized, twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 and a 10-speed automatic transmission in the quest for better fuel economy. Despite its smaller engine, it's far from fuel efficient and proved unexpectedly thirsty during our L-World highway testing. Lincoln switched out the Navigator's 5.4-litre V8 engine for a Ford-sourced twin-turbo V6 in 2015. The swap improved the Navigator's fuel economy, but only from atrocious to bad. Our all-wheel drive tester wore an EPA rating of a paltry 21 miles per gallon on the highway, while rear-wheel drive variants are expected to earn 23 miles per gallon on the highway with the standard short wheelbase and 22 miles per gallon with the long wheelbase. Around town, the Navigator's fuel economy hovers in the mid-teens, which could explain all the nasty looks we got from the drivers of hybrid cars in the liberal enclave of Ann Arbor. Fuel economy ratings compared. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. The Navigator earned 18 miles per gallon on our highway test, undershooting the EPA's estimates by 3 miles per gallon and coming in 2 miles per gallon behind the V8-powered GMC Yukon Denali. Only a dozen or so vehicles have done worse on this test. The Navigator's highway cruising range is also short for this class, barely topping 400 miles.